Welcome to the fourth video in this short series of getting back into YouTube. As you can tell, I'm in the same clothing as last week. I'm recording these at the same time, trying to get as much done as I can before I gotta leave for basic. In this video, I have a series of clips from myself working on my old car, 2005 baby blue Toyota Prius. As many of those close to me can attest to, I describe this car as my baby. It was my grandmother's before it came my oldest brother's, before it came my middle brother's, before it came mine. This absolute beast of a machine was just about as old as I am and served for over 217,000 miles before it was finally retired from our family. As you'll see in this video, this didn't come without a shortage of maintenance, but it served as not only a reliable rig, but also a wonderful vehicle to learn some basic mechanics such as changing oil, replacing headlights, light bodywork, etc. Additionally, towards the end of this video, I will throw in some clips of our hens, as up until recently I haven't shown much of the newest members of our homestead. Well, newest except for the bees. We originally raised 3 black Australorps and 3 Rhode Island Reds, of which we are now down to 2 of those species, along with our queen bee, Miss Bernie. Bernie is a buff Orpington. Anyway, at this point, I should be about halfway done my basic training. I love you all. Hope you all are doing well, and I'll see you next week. Not too sure. Hi guys. What are you doing?